Shakera, Shakera.
Shakera, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you went ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification on so you'll be notified every time I upload. And in today's video, I'll be doing a makeup look using the Juvia Spray Zulu palette, and I'm going for a sunset half cut crease with a blue eyeliner look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So I'm using my NARS Red and Creamy Concealer in Ginger as a base, and I like to use this concealer because it's very light, and you need a light base, especially when you're doing a colorful look, because you want that eyeshadow to appear vibrant. Now I'm just setting my concealer with a white eyeshadow. So you guys are wondering, I do have a top on. It's like a bandeau. I don't know. This is a Zulu palette and I'm absolutely obsessed. Like, this is my first time trying something from Juvia's Place, and I just love the colors. Like, the colors are speaking to me. They're so vibrant and colorful, and I love me some colors. And this palette retails for $17.50 and it's a black owned company. So I'm using that yellow eyeshadow as a transition color, and I'm applying this directly above my crease because you don't want to put it in your crease, because when it's time to layer it with a different eyeshadow, it's just going to disappear and it don't really make any sense. So always apply your transition color above your crease and make sure you're very light. Like, you don't want it too intense. I haven't added any more product to the brush, and look how pigmented this is. For the crease, I'm using this orange eyeshadow, and oh my god, this is so vibrant. Like, I freaking love this. Like, why didn't I buy this palette a long time ago? Like, this color payoff is so bomb. So I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used with the yellow eyeshadow and blend these two shadows together, because we don't want no harsh lines, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my crease. So I'm gonna set that with Tempura from the Modern Renaissance palette. Using the pink from the Zulu palette, I'm gonna apply this on the outer corner of my crease. So the brush that I use with the orange eyeshadow, I'm just going to use this to blend out the orange into the pink, and I'm not adding any product to the brush. I'm just going to use a cleaner blending brush to feather out the pink towards the inner corner of the cut crease to prevent harsh lines. So you see, it's light pink and then the pink gets more intense. Now that everything is nice and blended, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my NYX blue eyeliner. Went ahead and applied some cocoa lashes in the style Amore, and for my bottom lashes I used the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I did a review on that mascara, and if you haven't yet seen it, I'll leave a link in the description box, or you can find it at the top right hand corner of the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips using my NARS lip pencil in Spunk. Place my Kat Von D matte liquid lipstick in Lolita on top. I'm gonna add some MAC clear gloss. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification on so you'll be notified every time I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.